चलो बच्चों, आज हम लोग मैथ्स का चैप्टर नंबर इंट्रोडक्शन एंड राइटिंग ऑफ जीरो, ये चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, पेज नंबर 21। ठीक है, यहाँ निकालिए, बुक में देखिए पिक्चर, आप लुक एट द पिक्चर। सबसे पहले जीरो इज रिटन एज जीरो लाइक दिस। ओके, नाउ लुक एट द पिक्चर। पैसेंजर्स आर वेटिंग फॉर अ बस. What is it? Passengers are waiting for a bus. How many passengers are waiting? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many passengers? 4 passengers. Right here, 4. Now look at the second picture. Passengers went in the bus. 0 passengers remain. Any passenger here? No. Nothing. Nothing means 0. Now look. What is it? Wow. Laddus. Here is laddus. How many dishes are there? 2 dishes. One dish is white and one is pink dish. Now how many laddus are there in dish? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The white dish has how many laddus? 5 laddus. Now look at pink dish. Pink dish has no laddus. It means there are what? Yes, it means there are 0 laddus. Understood? 0 means nothing. What? 0 means nothing. Okay? This is today's homework. Okay?